Exciting news from Blum platform. I know you've been wondering what is the exciting news all about, but watch out to this video. This is where you're going to make money from airdrop before the launch day. You heard me right? Yes, you're going to make money from this Blum airdrop before the listing date. So recently, Blum decided to launch a Mempad section on their own interface. All right. So this Mempad is where you can be able to create, or let me say, generate tokens. You are going to create a token all by yourself. You heard me right? You are going to create tokens with your own unique name, and you add all what you deserve for your own token to go into the market, crypto market, and makes money from it. So what you need to do is just to come and tap on this meme pad right here. So this is where you can actually create your own token, launch your own token, put your liquidity like the way other coins are doing, and start making money from your own token. All right. So this meme token right here, as you can see in this platform, a lot of people are creating tokens. So as you can see right now, these people are creating tokens. All right. So these are the tokens they have been creating since we have more than 25 hours. So almost 75% of Blum miners have created tokens so far. So I want you to also launch your own token, right? Because me, I want to launch my own token too. So what you need right now is just to follow the procedure in this video on how you can launch your own token. As simple as that. You see that these ones are fresh tokens, and the second one is the hottest ones. All right. So this one is blooming, and also the other one is blonde already, which means they are already massive in the market. So what are we going to do right now is to create our own unique token and also add our name. So what is the idea running in your head if you want to create your own token? So the first thing is to come to launch token right here. Let me click on launch token. Then the first thing you will do is to add the token name. All right. Or let me say the icon. All right. Upload any image or GIF up to 10 MB. So I'm going to click right here and upload. So let me upload a picture. What am I going to upload? I'm going to upload something about Trump, right? I'm going to upload something about Trump. I think I'll upload a Trump picture because actually this unique coin I want to create is about Trump and Elon Musk. All right. So I'll at least suggest, or you guys can suggest a name for me, but I don't know. Let me create this one and see how it's going to work. All right. So let me add this old man. Let me add this old man, right? What is happening? I added the old man, but I couldn't see him. So let me add this old man. Let me add this old man that will believe that is going to raise cryptocurrency higher and higher. All right. Then what am I going to do? Before this picture load, I'll just add the name, the token name. I will put something Trump X coin. This is the name I want to use, Trump X coin, because I want to somehow mix it with Elon Musk's name. So what are we going to put here for the symbol? The symbol is just, I'll just put Trump. Trump. So the description of this coin. So guys, let me try and put my description right here. All right. So let me put my description. There's one description I wrote. This is it right here. Trump X is a cryptocurrency inspired by the legacy of Donald Trump, offering a decentralized, secure, and transparent payment system. Simple and short. So let's go. Let's go. Let me continue with my coin. All right. So what am I going to put? Any image up to 10 personal token. All right. So let me add image here also. What am I going to do? I'm going to add the image. This time around, I'll add his picture again. I wanted to add Elon Musk, but no. Let's put this as a banner. So let's see. NSFW means not safe for work. Not safe for work. Well, ask permission to display. So not safe. I will put is safe. All right. So let me upload this and see. It is safe. You can just come right here. Chat word. I don't really have any chat, so I'll just add continue. So what am I going to do? I need market capitalization at least. I need market capitalization at least tone 0.1 tone, all right, to invest in this cryptocurrency. So what am I going to do? I'm going to buy tone and invest in this coin and see if it's going to go up, guys. So let me go and get some, top up my wallet, and then see how I'll just conclude this creation as well. Thank you. Guys, I just go deposit little $2 of worth of ton just to make sure I complete this step for you so that you won't make any mistake while making your own coin. All right, so let's go from here. Let me put 0.2, right? Let me put 0.2 on my market cap. All right, so this will be your market capitalization. This will be your market cap. All right, so I just put 0. Or let me just put 0.3. Let me try it with 0.2 sha. Then let's go. Let's create this coin and see what is going to happen. Let's go. I want to make sure I complete this video for you guys as well. So guys, as you can see, I just created this coin. All right, so go and buy this coin, Trump. All right, so the name of the coin is Trump. I just create this coin just to celebrate Trump. All right, celebration of Trump winning the election, right? So this is the name of the coin right here, called Trump X coin. All right, Trump X coin, and it's simply called Trump. So go and get this coin, guys. Go and get this coin.